interesting. What is it? Oh my. This is Foxy. Foxy is so cute. I have to open this. How I open this? There. What the? Apple whoopee cushion. Apple whoopee cushion. I got the whoopee cushion. I got actually one. Oh my. I got Sharky. I got actually Sharky. I already opened that one. I'll open that or I'll open it. What's in here? Is anything? No. I got Oma. I got Lankybox. This one. What is this? I'm opening this now. This is a tiny. Oh! Sticky! I got sticky.
You happy now?
Yes. Oh, I forgot this one. And I forgot this one.
There's a lot.
Oh, I got golden. I got golden. Oh my, I got golden Rocky. Does that mean? No. It glows in the dark. It glows in the dark.
Is it?
Is this it?
Yeah. What will you say to your tita?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita Pintas. What happened is